If you've ever forgotten a password that Chrome already saved for you, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your saved passwords in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. First, open Google Chrome. Before continuing, make sure you're signed into the same Google account where your passwords were originally saved. Chrome syncs passwords through your Google account, so this step is very important. Now look at the top right corner of the browser and click on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left side menu and click on Autofill and Passwords. Now on the right side, select Google Password Manager. This is where Chrome stores all of your saved usernames and passwords from websites and apps you've logged into before. You can scroll through the list manually, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific website. Once you find the account you want, click on it. You'll now see your username and a hidden password field. To reveal the password, click on the eye icon next to it. Chrome will now ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. Depending on your device, this could be your computer password, fingerprint, PIN, or Face ID. After verification, your saved password will appear on the screen in plain text. You can also tap the copy icon if you want to copy the password, use the edit option to update it, or delete it completely if you no longer need it saved in Chrome. This feature is really useful if you forgot a password but previously allowed Chrome to save it for you.